lovers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of homemade pizza making. So, let's get started on this delicious recipe. First, we'll need some mozzarella cheese, olive oil, and a variety of toppings. We'll be using pepperoni, sausage, vegetables, olives, and tomato sauce. To add some extra flavor, we'll be using seasonings like basil, oregano, and garlic powder. And of course, we can't forget the extra cheese. Now, let's start with the crust. We'll be using a pre-made crust for this recipe. Next, we'll spread on a generous layer of tomato sauce. Then, we'll top it off with our choice of toppings. For this pizza, we'll be using pepperoni, sausage, vegetables, olives, and extra cheese. Don't forget to sprinkle on some seasonings to enhance the flavors. And there you have it, a homemade pizza that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious food ideas. Happy cooking, everyone.